Hi guys, I came across this clip. It's actually someone I know up in Dublin. This is a phenomenon that's been happening all over the world, and it just reminded me of something. And I want you to drop in the comments what it would sound like to you and what you actually think this could be. Drop it down in the below. This is a short video just to give you a little bit of what was actually heard in two different locations in Dublin. Have a look at this.
Guys, listen. It's 3 in the morning. What is going on? Ireland, what is going on? I can't be going crazy. Guys, I'm not going crazy. I swear I'm not. I can't be the only one to hear this, like.